So this is what your annotated bibliography should look like. I've included the model above in a link. Notice it is MLA formatted with your heading and your header. Everyone should have the same title, annotated bibliography, and then it's double spaced throughout. So what's a little different about an annotated bibliography is that there's no works cited sheet. Instead, the citation comes first before the summary. So you will have four summaries in your annotated bibliography that's due at the end of next week. And it'll look like this only has two, but yours will have four, but it will look like this. You'll start with a citation. Don't forget your hanging indent, and then you'll have I think I specified a 200 to 300 words summary beginning, as you've been doing it. So beginning with a sentence that has the title in quotation marks, the author's name, and then the thesis of the article, and then you'll go into the major details of the article, organized around key concepts. So this one only has two. This has, here's the second one, but you'll have four.